G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just going to give you a bit of a run through of our gas strut accessories, and hopefully I'll be able to help you with any questions you may have in regards to how these will operate with our gas struts or your existing gas struts you've got. So we'll break this up. We've got your replacement ends. So you've got your replacement metal ends with an M8 thread, and you've got our replacement poly ends with an M6 thread. These will work with your 6x15 and your 8x18s, and these are going to be for your 10x22s. All our struts come with ball studs and nuts, but if they ever get misplaced, you can order them. That's what you're going to receive there. Obviously, we've got our eyelet here, if that's going to work, because you need to drive some kind of bolt through the other end for your installation. With our two different gas strut brackets here, these are only going to work with our 6x15 and 8x18mm gas struts. That's because they've got your 10mm ball stud. So they're going to be suitable for these struts here. They're going to fit over that. But they are simply too small a diameter. They won't work if you've got the larger metal headed end on your gas struts. And then we've got here our popular gas strut brackets. You can install that externally if that's going to work, but you could also fit that internally if that's going to be suitable for you as well. And these will work for all size gas struts because you're just going to take the appropriate ball stud that your strut is supplied with, and it's going to fit through that mounting hole there. So there you have it, a range of gas strut accessories. If you had any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.